Welcome to the CellGate Infinity Guide. The CellGate Infinity system offers 4 convenient ways to enter the property. First, you can simply tap your access card or key fob against the Infinity device to unlock it. For Bluetooth access, start by downloading the CellGate app on your phone. Once installed, log in, then enable the personal key by tapping Proceed. Next, allow CellGate to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth background access and click Allow to stop optimizing battery usage. To enter the property with Bluetooth, have the phone on your person and wave in front of the device. To enter the property with an access code, type the access code into the Infinity device and click the Enter button. Finally, for QR code access, you'll receive a text or email with a link. Just click it and hold up the displayed QR code in front of the Infinity device's sensor at the top of the device.